people may say that that's not easy to do, to become Shreem Brzee. How do we get to become vibrating with Shreem Brzee all the time? And do you?
Yeah, if you say it is not easy to do, then you are gone. You have to say it is easy to do. Okay, it is a practice. It is, first of all, you should not have any negative attitude towards it. It's all the negativity that it's not easy to do, then it will become difficult. Then you say easy to do, it will become easy. Okay? So you should never say Shreem Brzee is difficult. Go on, chanting it, you don't have to even sit down and meditate. Although that's better. Just, just chant it over and over and over and over again.